Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the magnetic mesh screen door on the aluminum frame stay attached longer. I had several different magnetic mesh screen doors over the past 5 years. The previous mesh magnet door we had poor adhesion to the aluminum door frame. The velcro strip just won't hold in the summer's heat, and the glue lost its grips. As a fix, I attached the top of the screen with an iron patch and sewed the tore parts of the mesh. This fixed the tears, but still I was constantly having to reattach the velcro as the glue wore off. Also, magnet casings easily popped open. I was kinda tired replacing these screens every year. We have a dog. It makes it easy for me to let her on the deck or go to the backyard without me having to open the door for her. Our dog loves being able to push through the screen to go outside by herself. We also have a lot of bugs. This is perfect. The self-closing mesh screen door seals out the bugs. The idea is great. The design needed attention. Then I purchased this magnetic mesh screen door from Amazon. I ordered 36 by 82, but our door is not exactly that size. I have to adjust the length to fit. This time I'm going to attach a mesh screen door to the house siding and not to the aluminum door frame. I will talk about why later. If you have a deck, you should cut the bottom to slightly above the deck level. Otherwise, the bottom of the screen door would grab the deck and not close. I also decided to add a piece of magnet from a previous mesh screen door to the bottom, making the mesh close more securely. This particular mesh screen door seems to be very well made. I love that the magnet strip is sewn into the reinforced opening instead of the cheap little plastic magnet pieces that pop off too easy with a plier version. The velcro is double stitched around the entire thick fabric frame. There are also weights on the bottom, which makes it hang perfectly. Having said that, my door frame is aluminum. During the summer, outside temperature rises to over 90 degrees in my area. From my experience, that adhesive on the velcro strip will melt from the heat. I think the top attachment point is the main culprit. Gravity took its toll, and over time put adhesive off, aided by the heat. This is true for this mesh door as for the other ones. So I have an idea why not to attach a mesh screen door to the siding around the aluminum frame, and use small clips to hold it at the top. I found perfect clips at Harbor Freight, and decorate each clip using this 4th of July flower lei. I also will put the pink pom-pom using velcro on the opening the mesh screen. One small issue was a mesh screen door. When I am outside with the patio door closed, there is no easy to put my fingers through the mesh to open the patio door. I'm going to attach this pom-pom. The pom-pom would act as a handle to separate the mesh screen. This video was shot in November. 8 months has passed. In spite of some flower lei falling off, it still looks good, doesn't it? I'm sure this time it should last many years. I paid $22.99 for this magnetic mesh screen door. Previously, I was buying a new one every year at about $10 to $15 each. This is a good buy. I am impressed by how much more improved this screen is over the cheaper blend. After many twists and turns, my project has finally concluded. So happy with this purchase. Thank you for watching. See ya! If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and stay tuned to my next video.